In this video, we're going to show how to modify the Modbus timeout setting on a CMMT controller. In this case here, we have a version 34.0.11.16 firmware. If we go to the repositories, we're using 2716 plugin, and we're using, where is it here, the about? We're using 270.752 plus automation suite. Right now I am online and there is a parameter with the latest firmware and coincides with the Festo Automation Suite software. There is this (102.393) parameter. And right now I have currently set this to 1.234 seconds. By default, it is 1 second. So if the controller had load factory settings, then it would be default 1 second. So we want to modify this. So the first thing we do is disconnect. I'm just using the Festo Automation Suite. We have this alternative tool here, and the alternative tool is this ModbusTCPIdleTimeout. I'm going to cycle power to the controller. So now I'm going to start this software right here, and we're going to type in the address of the front port, the X18 port. When we're looking at the controller, one way or another, we're using the front port on either the CMMT-ST or the CMMT-AS. And we are going to, in this case, 184 is the value and 400 is the register. So we'll see here that we do a read and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, there's two registers, 40 or 400 and 401. So in order to make this tool work, this software tool here, we have to do a read of the 401, a write of the 401, and we do a read of the 400, a write, and then we confirm with a read that we in fact did change it. So now I'm going to close this. We have to close this because the port that this is using is also used by Festo Automation Suite. I'm going to go back to Festo Automation Suite. I'm going to connect so that we can see the value changed via the interface of Festo Automation Suite. Okay, we have Modbus 0000. So right now this is stored in the volatile memory. So now we need to do a store on device. Now it's been stored permanently, and now I will disconnect, cycle power to the controller again. I've given it some time here. I'm going to try to connect. And we see here that the Modbus timeout remains 0 as we set it. 0 is disabled. And that's how you change the existing firmware version Modbus timeout.